My name is ABS, I'm a student. Okay, let's start this video in a very non-professional way. On 21st of February, YouTube sending me an email that your channel, ABS Scientific World, is no longer part of YPP or YouTube Partner Program. And for the folks among you who don't know, they need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. We already hit 4,000 hours of watch time so long before. And initially, there are some deadlines. As a person to be me, there is a heart yelling inside me, telling me that you have to reply that man and you have to reply that man. And the list goes on and on and on. Everything has a limit. I cannot reply 56 emails in a day. I was traveling back from the college, I was reading it. I was moving towards the college, scrolling down my phone and reading it. And thank you very much for your support. But one that man mailed me in Russian actually, and it was too much difficult to me. Thank you Google Translator for translating it. And he was telling me that how you make actually your living after YPP termination, and we have to reply that man. And this video is for that one. Even the simplest question to us can carry you and me to the edge of human knowledge. And now replying to that man, my initial impression towards YouTube, this policy, was like, I'm glad to hear it. Yeah, switch the TV volume down. If you cannot do that, get outside of the room, because I'm going to speak a very important line. If I'm going to review the phone, let's take an example, this phone or a water bottle. There are some channels who are exactly replicating it, and that won't let my frustration to go away. That's actually fine if you do that. What I spoke in the video is exactly same, and okay, but from their mouth. But some videos are just copy pasted. That was like a brick hit my heart, and I cannot do anything. And when I scrolled the subscriber count upwards, it was like 30,000 subscribers in 6 months. It was like it's not YouTube algorithm, or it's my fault to do something different, or they got a great community to share. That's what it is. My initial impressions was when the clone came into my recommendation was like, this is what happens when technology turns you away. But I need to reply that man. I'm not here for earning money, just like most intelligent creators. I'm not saying I'm intelligent. On YouTube. Oh my God, my mic. And it neither impact me anyway. We have the expensive gears that we need to make these videos, and if you begin to count that old subscriber count and the amount of views we were gaining that time, I'm darn definitely sure if YouTube holds that status, it was exceeding 1 lakh views. It looks a video to some and a story to some. We took a great improvement in our video editing steps. When I started from Windows Movie Maker, and then we went to Filmora, Wondershare Filmora, and then step by step, Movavi, Sony Vegas Pro, HitFilm, and finally on Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a long journey, and I still say that we learn a whole lot, and there is a course, a degree course in my city for learning all these softwares. I learn a whole lot of things, or we learn a whole lot of things. It has elevated me as a person beyond what a person should be in my position. It's only knowledge. I mean, you cannot stick with it until and unless you don't like it. I still say there are many visionaries on the platform right now who are doing this work other than earning money. And believe me, if you are good, stick with it. The good will stick with you. And at the end of the day, thank you very much, all of you, for tuning with us. I appreciate your ingenuity and ability to think outside the box, to watch Scientific World. So once again, see you next time, and thank you very much for tuning with us.